Welcome to a hidden sanctuary where art and technology converge in a mesmerizing display of color and light inside our high-tech magic factory today. Before we reveal the grand scale of production, witness the microscopic beauty of liquid elements blending together to create something truly unique and spectacular. Our journey begins within this vast industrial landscape where massive machinery stands ready to transform simple raw materials into breathtaking works of functional art. The air is thick with anticipation and the scent of luxury as the morning shift prepares the colossal vats for a new batch of soap. Skilled craftsmen monitor every precise detail on advanced digital interfaces, ensuring that the temperature and pressure are perfect for the upcoming chemical reaction. With a single touch, as the mechanical heart of the facility hums to life, signaling the start of a process that balances precision with pure creativity. The foundation of our masterpiece begins with the liberation of the hot soap base flowing steadily into the mixing chambers like a liquid crystal river. This pure, molten substance is the blank canvas upon which we will paint our aromatic story, prepared at temperatures that ensure perfect clarity and consistency. Next, we introduce the soul of the product, rare, essential oils poured with extreme care to infuse the entire batch with a deep, enchanting fragrance. The oils create a shimmering dance on the surface, refracting the factory lights into 1,000 tiny rainbows before they are fully integrated into the mix. Heat is the catalyst here, allowing the ingredients to bond at a molecular level while the aromatic vapors begin to fill the vast production hall. The rhythmic churning of the giant mixers ensures an even distribution of the oils, creating a base that is as fragrant as it is pure. Every bubble tells a story of the chemical union taking place, a delicate balance of heat and motion that prepares the base for its colorful transformation. Now begins the dance of colors as our artists introduce concentrated pigments, carefully calculated to create a visual experience that is truly one of a kind. Watch as the intense hues of sapphire and gold begin their slow expansion, drifting through the base like clouds across a pristine white sky. The human touch is irreplaceable. Our artisans use specialized tools to guide the colors, acting as conductors for this symphony of fluid dynamics. With steady hands, they weave the colors together, creating intricate marble swirls that can never be perfectly replicated, making every single batch a unique masterpiece. The secret lies in the technique of swirling, or where the colors dance on the edge of blending, maintaining their individual brilliance within a harmonious whole. From above, the vat resembles a giant cosmic nebula, a swirling vortex of artistic expression that defies the boundaries of industrial manufacturing. The depth of the patterns is astonishing, with layers of color stacked upon each other to create a visual texture that mimics precious stone. Soft lighting accentuates the glossy sheen of the mixture, revealing the vibrant life hidden within the molten soap before it begins its final transition. As the motion settles, the pattern is locked in a moment of fluid perfection, ready to be captured in the form of a solid block. This is the climax of the artistic phase, where the chaotic beauty of liquid pigment is tamed into a sophisticated and elegant marble design. The birth of the giant block begins as the multicolored liquid pours into a massive steel mold, filling the cavernous space with a tidal wave of color. The sheer volume of the pour is impressive, as hundreds of liters of soap cascade down to form a solid foundation for the giant monolith. As the mold fills, the marble patterns expand and stretch, adapting to the rectangular shape while maintaining the integrity of the original artistic vision. To ensure a flawless finish, a specialized mist is sprayed over the surface, settling the liquid and preparing it for the final cooling stage. This technique eliminates every single air bubble, leaving behind a surface that is as smooth as glass and as solid as a mountain. Patience is required as the 500-kilogram block begins to stabilize, its surface leveling out perfectly under the watchful eyes of the team. The dramatic lighting in the hall captures the monumental scale of the block, and highlighting the deep shadows and the vibrant colors trapped within the steel. Now complete, the giant block stands as a testament to the scale of our operation, a massive slab of beauty weighing over half a ton. The reflective surface mirrors the factory's surroundings, capturing a final moment of liquid stillness before the cooling process begins in the next chamber. We move into the cooling room, a sanctuary of silence and low temperatures where the soap blocks rest in a controlled, blue-tinted atmosphere. Ethereal mist flows through the room, maintaining the perfect humidity and temperature to allow the saponification process to finish with absolute precision. High-precision sensors monitor the core temperature of each block, ensuring the cooling is gradual enough to prevent any cracking or loss of detail. As the slow decline of the numbers on the screen marks the transition of the soap from a molten state into its final, durable, solid form. The transformation is nearly complete. The once flowing liquid has become firm and opaque, holding its marble pattern forever within its solid structure. The texture of the surface has evolved into a smooth, matte finish that feels like expensive wax, ready to be handled by the cutting machines. Condensation on the steel molds reflects the intensity of the cooling process, a necessary step to achieve the perfect hardness and longevity of the soap. In this quiet warehouse, time and temperature work together to finalize the chemical bond, turning industrial materials into high-quality skincare products. The blocks stand like silent monoliths, waiting for the final stage where they will be divided into the thousands of bars destined for homes worldwide. The silence is broken by the arrival of the hydraulic cutter. It's a precision machine designed to slice through the massive block with surgical accuracy. Watch as the high-tension wire bites into the solid soap, beginning a process of division that reveals the inner beauty hidden within the mass. As the block splits, the internal marble patterns are revealed for the first time, displaying a stunning array of colors that run deep into the core. The movement is effortless and satisfying, as the wire glides through the material to create surfaces that are perfectly flat and ready for the next cut. A second pass of the machine divides the large slabs into individual bars, transforming the monolithic block into thousands of uniform, rectangular pieces. Every bar is a sister to the next, yet each one carries its own distinct fingerprint of color and pattern, ensuring that no two customers receive the same. The precision of our cutting technology ensures that every edge is sharp and clean, reflecting the high standards of quality we maintain in every step. The final touch of branding is applied as a pneumatic stamp debosses our logo into the soap, a mark of authenticity and artisanal excellence. The finished bars now march toward the packaging department, a satisfying conveyor of color and scent that marks the end of their production journey. Precision robotics ensure that each bar is placed into its luxury packaging with care, protecting the intricate marble designs for their journey to your home. Our artisans perform a final quality check, admiring the unique flow of colors that makes this specific bar a singular masterpiece of functional art. Thank you for joining us inside the Magic Factory. Every product is a unique masterpiece. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.